Where we headed, Ben?
Oklahoma territory.
Oklahoma territory. We're about in Oklahoma.
Nebo.
What we got to do there? That butt tight?
Watch Johnny Mac make a hand.
Here's J Mac. Been here all damn day. All motherfucking day. Has no idea we're running this video camera though. There is a Medicare benefit that may qualify you for a power chair or a scooter at little to no cost to you. Imagine one scooter or
to New York City, it's a Yankee pity. Those crazy bastards don't have a clue. I went down to Tennessee, a rocky type I had to say, but I left there because the corn won't grow. I went down to New Orleans, let me tell you about that scene. Well, I got drunk on Bourbon Street, and I've been up all night, sipping on whiskey, drinking beer. Back home in Texas, wouldn't live anywhere but here. Thinking about all those nights I spent so far away, but I'm back home in Texas, and this is where I'm gonna stay. To California, my friends, I'll have to warn ya, they got a kick-ass streak out there. And Las Vegas took all my money, didn't think that it was funny. I lost $2,000 but I got drunk. And Colorado's cold, snow it gets real low. It's hard to ski in cowboy boots, but I've been up all night, sipping on whiskey, drinking beer. Back home in Texas, I wouldn't live anywhere but here. Thinking about all those nights I spent so far away, but I'm back home in Texas, and this is where I'm gonna stay. Oklahoma's near, but it's not home I fear. Got a better view from the south, and Mexico's too hot, don't think that it's my spot. Never heard of China Bar, but I've been up all night, sipping on whiskey, drinking beer. Back home in Texas, I wouldn't live anywhere but here. Thinking about all those nights I spent so far away, but I'm back home in Texas, and this is where I'm gonna stay. Yeah, but I've been up all night, sipping on whiskey, drinking beer. Back home in Texas, I wouldn't live anywhere but here. Thinking about all those nights I spent so far away, but I'm back home in Texas, and this is where I'm gonna stay. This is where I'm gonna stay.
Alright, now lift.
one last trip down to the ocean. It's one last chance to save our souls. It's one last walk along the shoreline, and one last chance your hands in mine. Still we'll hold on a little longer. We'll sit and watch the sun break in the waves, and we'll hold on a little longer. We'll lie and watch the sunset through the clouds. It's getting cold here in the hallway. Behind these doors I wait for you. I don't speak for I hurt your ears. I close my eyes to fight my fears. Still will hold on a little longer. Sit and watch the sun break in the waves, and we'll hold on a little longer. We'll lie and watch the sunset through the clouds. It's one last trip down to the ocean, and one last chance to save our souls. There's one more footprint in the sand, and one moment longer with your hand. And my God will hold on a little longer. Sit and watch the sun break in the waves, and we'll hold on a little longer. We'll lie and watch the sunset through the clouds, and we'll hold on a little longer. Don't wanna leave you just yet, I'll stay a while.
Reed Blackman, he wrote a book called Country Savvy, and he is a hell of a humdinger, let me tell you. And we come up here to the sale, and these guys up front up here, they know Reed, and I was telling them about that book, Country Savvy, and they got a kick out of it. So we wrote Country Savvy on one of this blade right here that you're looking at, and so every time we come up here, we bullshit about Country Savvy and stuff like that. But 2 days ago, Reed Blackman came up here and saw Country Savvy on that blade, and he's pissed off now. And then we have one down there that says